It's the year 2000, and I'm 9 years old. Christmas vacation has just ended, and it's January the 2nd, and we're back to school. Everyone is talking about all the amazing Christmas gifts they got. And then there was me, the only kid in class whose family didn't celebrate Christmas. But everyone would still ask me, "Hey Rafid, what did you get for Christmas?" Nothing. My family doesn't celebrate Christmas. Pretty sad, right? Not the fact that my family didn't celebrate Christmas, but the fact that for this 9-year-old, that day getting back to school was very different from everyone else. But see, I'm not alone. This is the story of so many immigrant kids in Western countries. And again, of course, there is no problem in not celebrating Christmas. But for this JavaScriptmas challenge, we're going to make sure that every kid, like the 9-year-old me in this world, will also get a gift this Christmas and feel special like everyone else. And that's exactly where you come in. Because I want the two of us to together build an amazing app. And here it is. This is a Christmas jukebox app that will let anyone enjoy those Christmas tunes. So you've got a YouTube video with a song playing right up here, and then you can press any of these buttons to play another song. Because guess what? Even though my family didn't celebrate Christmas, my little brother and I still watched all the Christmas movies that would run on TV. Disney's A Christmas Carol with Scrooge McDuck, Jingle All the Way with The Terminator, and of course, the greatest Christmas movie of them all, Home Alone 1 and 2. Okay, so I have almost everything working, so my challenge to you is to add some code inside of a function called PlaySong to make the YouTube player play the new YouTube song. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the HTML page, and we got some pretty standard stuff here. The most important thing for you is this code right here. So this is an iframe, and iframes are what let us embed YouTube videos into our web pages. So the most important thing here is the source, which is the YouTube video, which is referred to in this way. You'll notice here that there is a weird looking thing here, which is the unique YouTube ID. At this point, you're probably familiar that each YouTube video has its own unique YouTube ID. And then for the buttons, you can see that we have an on click for each one where we're running a function called PlaySong and we're feeding it a string with that unique YouTube ID for that video. Let me show you. Here it is. Let's run that. There you go. Here's the YouTube video. It might not be showing up correctly for you. All right. So that's White Christmas. If you want to play another song, you can press any of these buttons. And of course, it's not working right now because that's where you come in. So let's go into the JavaScript file. Here it is. And this is where I want you to write the code. And if you're stuck, check out the little hint that I've left for you in the hint.md file. And if you want to dive deeper into the subject of the YouTube player and exactly how it works, you can click on this link. But you don't need to read any of that to complete this challenge. And if you're still stuck, don't worry. Use the Scrimba community. You've got two options. You can either ask your question in our Discord server, click here to get to the JavaScriptmas FAQ channel, or you can use our brand new forum, aka Scrimba's own Stack Overflow, by clicking here. And if you thought that the challenge was way too easy, then I've got some stretch goals for you. Okay, first, not so much into Christmas? No problem. Add your own favorite songs. And then change the design and the style of the app. And this one you can do as little or as much as you want. Finally, there is a way to hide the YouTube player but still hear the audio. See if you can figure that out. And you know what? If you've been solving all the JavaScriptmas challenges, including this one, then you could be one of 24 lucky people to win a whole year worth of Scrimba Pro. Imagine all the stuff you could learn, which by the way includes our brand new AI engineer path. But if the stars align and you become super lucky, then you could actually win a brand spanking new MacBook Air with the M2 chip worth $1,100. How about that for a Christmas gift? And believe me, I have a Mac with the M2 chip and it's just so amazing. Remember that this is limited to one per person, the 24 Scrimba Pro subscriptions. And all the prizes will be announced on December the 24th. So how do you enter this competition? Well, first, solve the challenge, duh, right? And then share your solution on X. Hit the share solution button and use the hashtag JavaScriptmas. And make sure to do all of this by midnight UTC tonight. Ah, great, UTC. I know exactly what that means. Don't worry. Click on this link to get the exact time in your time zone. But make sure to first turn off any VPN you might be using. And since you've already shared your solution on X, why not go one step further and also share it on LinkedIn and PeerList? And if you don't know about PeerList, it's an exciting new social platform that is a combo of the best parts of LinkedIn, X, and GitHub all rolled into one. It's made by an incredible small team out of India, and I've been using it for a little while and really loving it so far. And with that, I wish you good luck and happy coding. And of course, Merry Christmas. Wait, you're still here? Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you how to put this awesome app on your phone. Well, what do you know? I actually cover this exact thing in an older course of mine called Build a Mobile App with Firebase. Click here to get to it, and you'll learn exactly how you can do that. In fact, if you noticed, I actually have included a bunch of image files here for you, plus a fabicon.ico and a site.webmanifest file. So if you were to download your solution from Scrimba to your local machine and then deploy it to the web using something like Netlify, for example, you can actually put your web application on your phone, whether you have an iPhone or Android, doesn't matter, and it's actually going to look like a native mobile app. Isn't that cool? Again, I cover all of that and a lot more in this course, which you can get to by pressing here. And now we're actually done, so awesome job, and until next time.